this video, I'm making a pair of monitor stands out of laser cut plywood.
If you have enough time and patience, you could of course make these out of whatever stock you have and using hand or machine tools. A laser cutter isn't necessary, just made the process faster and more repeatable for me. The plans are in the description to download as PDF and DXF for free if you'd like to make one. You'll also need a 6mm hex nut and bolt. This design is based on another design by Steve Carmichael at the Carmichael Workshop. I'll include a link to his video in the description below, as well as a link to his plans which are also freely available. Once the pieces were all laser cut, I glued the layers together. I designed the pieces to have 3.2mm alignment holes which I glued cut sections of bamboo skewer into. You could also use 3.2mm dowel or 3mm nuts and bolts depending on the aesthetic you want. The holes can be resized or drilled out to a large size to accommodate large dowels too. I added pretty much all of the small and medium sized clamps I have to each piece, meaning I had to glue each part up separately. I then sanded all of the front and back faces to remove soot and burn marks left by the laser cutter. The dowels were cut almost flush prior to this step, and the sanding also flushes them up with the faces of the pieces. The stand features an inset area for storing pens and other stationery. You could leave this as is, omit it altogether, or as I've done, add a PU leather insert for a contrasting material and texture. I thought that assembly might require a bit of trial and error and sanding of the vertical element to get it to fit, but my measurements must have been quite accurate, and it turned out to be a very tight friction fit. I didn't even bother to disassemble and add glue to the joint. I added a 6mm hex bolt to the part that connects to the back of the monitor, and a 6mm hex nut to the knob that is used to tighten the up and down adjustment. The whole piece was finished using my go-to beeswax and mineral oil finish. Then it was just a case of putting it in its place.